our team is co-creating effective judicial outcomes. So in the group here, we have a bunch of us who are interested in the judiciary and dispute resolution from different angles and different perspectives. So some of us have done work from the formal court system and research, some from the online dispute resolution perspective, some from working in enterprises and how to make things easier with, say, posh cases at an enterprise level, or looking at contract management or land rights. So, but the common thread in some ways is that co-creating effective judicial outcomes, right, and improving the experience of justice and dispute resolution for all. And with that, we've put together, maybe we can quickly introduce each other for like 1 second each type. So I'm Kirtana, I'm a curator at Agami, and at Agami, I've been working on the online dispute resolution initiative and now also curating the Agami network as a whole. Pramod?
Hi, I'm Pramod. I'm part of ICICI Bank and also associated with various ODR initiatives and working closely with Kirtana at Agami, but also a whole host of other initiatives. Pleasure to be here.
Deepika?
Hi, everyone. I'm Deepika Kinhal. I work with Vidhi Center for Legal Policy. I lead Vidhi's judicial reforms team. We call ourselves Justice, Access, and Lowering Delays in India initiative. Pleasure to be here.
Hi, Girish.
Hey, everyone. I'm Girish, and I'm the founder for Landright, basically a early stage tech startup on democratizing property title information for all.
Thank you, Girish. Badri?
Hi, I'm Badri. I'm co-founder of Cord, an online dispute resolution institution based out of Bangalore.
Meghna?
Hi, everyone. Morning. I'm the founder of Trustin, and we help companies build safer workplaces with POSH compliance.
Thank you. Vikram?
Hi, my name is Vikram. I'm co-founder of Sama. We are trying to change the way people resolve disputes in this country, and we are very passionate about access to justice.
Akshat?
Hi guys, my name is Akshat. I'm the founder and CEO of a legal technology company called Legistify. We run a SaaS-enabled marketplaces for enterprises across the country, and I'm very happy to be a part of this group.
Thank you. So we'll start now. I think, Pramod, whenever you're ready.
Kirtana, can you change your name? Rename yourself.
I'm ready. So here goes. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice,
Social, economic, and political.
liberty,
Of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship.
equality,
Of status and of opportunities.
Wait. So we all know the preamble to our constitution, but why are you both reading it now?
To tell everyone what we have achieved and what has been our guiding principles towards our goal.
Achieved, really? So you're telling me that we've already achieved justice for all?
Yes, almost, yes. That is what Mission Jaldi is all about.
So you just want justice jaldi? Will it be inclusive? And does that mean everyone can access it?
Yes, Jaldi is all of that. J for justice, A is for access, and then we focus on lowering delays in all of India.
All right, but how are you going to serve justice for all?
By serving justice biryani.
What? Justice what?
You heard it right. Justice biryani.
Wait. लखनवी बिरयानी सुना है, हैदराबादी बिरयानी, मलबार बिरयानी, दम बिरयानी, आमबुर बिरयानी और तो और वेज बिरयानी भी सुना है. पर ये जस्टिस बिरयानी क्या किसी कोर्ट के कैंटीन में बनता है?
कोर्ट के कैंटीन में भी, आपके लिविंग रूम में भी, गांव के गलियों में भी, और इलॉन मस्क के स्पेस स्टेशन में भी.
तो कहाँ मिलती है ये जस्टिस बिरयानी? मुझे अर्जेंटली चाहिए.
Who made this justice biryani? Can you resolve my land disputes?
Where can I find its recipe?
Who made this? Good question. It's actually not one person or one company, you know. It was made by everybody.
How is it possible?
Haven't you heard the phrase, too many cooks spoil the broth?
Not this one, my friend. It took a village, a city, a country, generations, and in fact, an entire civilization to prepare Justice Biryani. And my God, it tastes so good.
Okay, hold on now. Now I need the recipe. Tell me, where can I find this?
So, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the revolutionary dish, the khana that is truly khazana, the one and only Justice Biryani.
चाहे फैमिली में हो परेशानी या चेक बाउंस होने पे हैरानी, बिजनेस में हो बेमानी, सबका समाधान है बस जस्टिस बिरयानी।
नमस्ते जस्टिस बिरयानी जी, आपको मेरा प्रणाम। मैं आपके पैर पड़ता हूँ, मेरी एक समस्या का जल्दी से समाधान कर दीजिए प्लीज।
अरे जस्टिस बिरयानी तो आपका हक है, पैर पड़ने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, आप हक से मांगिए, बिरयानी आपको और सबको परोसी जाएगी।
Now, please stop it. Are you all delusional? Sabka Samadhan, isn't that too tall a claim? Do you know how many cases are pending in our courts and how long it takes to resolve disputes?
5 minutes.
What?
My current database says that there are 12,356 cases pending in courts, and as I speak, now it's 11,875.
Wait, what? Are you kidding? Which era are you in?
This is 2030, June 27, and according to my clock, it's afternoon 2:30.
Whoa. So you really made it. I want to know, how does this happen over the next 10 years?
Okay, Ms. Kirtana, from 2020, here's the story of the creation of Justice Biryani.
Please tell me that this is not another Meghna Biryani pun. I thought we were done with those.
Okay, you know who created Justice Biryani? This was co-created recipe the master chefs were
Researchers आए, नए रास्ते दिखाए, civil society organizations ने नए सपने सजाए।
एक सिस्टम ऐसा हो जिसमें तारीखें न मिलती हो, जब फरियादी आए तो समाधान मिलता हो।
फिर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आए, एंटरप्राइजेस आए, जजेस ने भी उनसे जुड़ के सपने साकार कराए।
अब तो डिस्प्यूट्स में तारीखें नहीं मिलती है, 5 मिनट के अंदर भी समाधान होता है।
इस रेसिपी में तो यही खास है, सबके मिलने से बनती बात है, क्या कहे इस न्याय का, सबको मजा आने लगा।
अब तो डिस्प्यूट्स में तारीखें नहीं मिलती है, 5 मिनट के अंदर भी समाधान होता है, 5 मिनट के अंदर भी समाधान होता है।
All right. So for those of you curious, here's the recipe. This is how Justice Biryani was made.
Okay, take a large bowl and add a lot of empathy. Put a flame low so that it spreads gently and wide.
Then give it some technological and automation flavor so it can be easily accessed.
Obviously, you need a lot of meat, and that comes with trust and transparency.
Allow some people to taste it and then stir it with a lot of feedback loops.
And then garnish it with a lot of accountability.
And then serve it with a lot of kindness, love, and respect.
Wow. I can't wait to taste this biryani. But tell me one thing. If disputes are being resolved in 5 minutes, aren't you all jobless? What are lawyers, judges, civil society organizations, researchers doing then?
Not at all. In fact, the recipe is constantly evolving. We all work to ensure we gather the best ingredients all the time, for which we continue to innovate, create, and cook.
I'm truly impressed. What a wonderful world 2030 is going to be. Everybody is a master chef of a beautiful dish called Justice Biryani.
Okay, so now if you're convinced, can I finish what I started?
Yes, please go ahead.
So here goes. Equality,
Of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all,
fraternity,
assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation.
in our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves the Constitution.